This is the Panzer Arms BP12. Brand new gun, just came out a little while ago.
Kind of impulsed on it, did you?
Yeah, definitely impulsed on it, definitely. I saw it hanging up on the shelf. Couldn't resist, it just looked too cool. I mean, look at that. It came with 2 mags, a cleaning kit, sights, this cool little angled foregrip down the bottom here. I quite like it. We have not shot it yet. It is ready to go. I've got 1 in the chamber.
What are you shooting?
5 in the mag, Winchester double-aught buck. Pretty sure they're 1600 FPS, but I don't have the box with me, so I'm not 100% sure.
So first impressions, never before shot, just unboxed the gun.
First impressions, don't know where the sights are at right now. We're gonna try and shoot those water bottles out there, but...
Oh, it comes with kind of like Peep Sights, kind of like what you'd see on an AR platform. A little post in the front. They do not come attached, and they do not come with a screwdriver or anything to attach to this little Phillips head there.
Just to clarify, it shoots 12 gauge. You can chamber it with either this or the side there. Let's go.
Oh, looks like you got a jam. Oh. Failure to feed here. What shot was that? The 4th shot? So we got 2 more rounds. We had 6, 1 in the chamber, 5 in the magazine.
We jammed again.
All right, so
I'll call that one
stuck
a day.
in there. Yeah, hold it back a little bit. Here, take the camera.
Yes, sir.
So that's not exactly very safe, is it?
No.
It's like it's stuck in the top of the magazine there.
That's all right. I'm sure we just have to break it in.
We'll see. Of course, you know, it might react different with different shells. I know the aluminum casing, or the casing, brass casing up here is what actually got stuck in the magazine, so I don't know if it's going to react better with birdshot or slugs.
We'll give it a go. All right.
Time we got slugs in there. See if it acts any different.
Gonna be shooting those root beer bottles out there. Not the 3 to the left, but the 2 big ones. Don's a bit better of a shot than I am. I'm kind of not good at all.
Don't hype me up, man. I might miss.
I already charged it.
Yeah, I noticed.
Whoops.
Have not sighted in the sights yet, so if I miss, it's because of that. The safety is ambidextrous, left and right.
It jammed again?
Yeah, on the last shot.
All right.
Sights are actually on the money with that.
Good deal.
So overall, it jammed on every shot with birdshot in the beginning. And now the more we shoot it, I'd say at least 50 rounds in, it's starting to improve. Not sure why. It would need a break-in. But overall, what do you think?
I like it. I mean, it only really ever jams on birdshot.
Yeah, it cycles fine on buckshot, and
it slugs.
After the break-in period, took about probably 20 shots, and after that, then it started to cycle. I don't know if the grease had to get moved around in the reloading spring or what, but
yeah, for a while there, it was jamming every single shot.
It looks cool though. That's all that matters, right?
No, I wanted to shoot good too.
Yeah.
All right, so we finally got the gun shooting without jamming. So we
How
think
many rounds
anyway.
did you say it took for it to actually get to where the consistency was pretty much every mag wasn't jamming?
Probably 100 rounds, you know?
Yeah, something like that.
Something like that.
Anyways, took about 100 shots, but now it's cycling Birdshot. It was failing to feed, like you'd shoot a shot and then it'd get jammed on Birdshot every shot. And now, feeds like this.
Pretty good.